Have you ever heard orchids whisper? Not with words, but through green leaves, strong roots, and blooming flowers. Today, I'll share natural and simple ways to care for orchids. Let's get started. My orchid, after its blooming season, has wilted leaves and faded flowers. Let's remove those yellow leaves. Now, we're going to trim the flower spike. Eliminate old land and old moss. They can harbor fungi and harmful bacteria that may affect the orchid's health. Where in the world are you watching from? I'd love to know. Drop your city or country in the comments. And if your orchids are giving you a hard time, don't worry. Share your struggles below and we'll figure it out together. Cutting old roots and broken leaves. Rotting roots like these can introduce disease to the orchid and stop it from absorbing water and nutrients, making it hard for the plant to grow and thrive. Don't forget to rinse your orchid with clean water before applying the solution. My friend X once asked me how to take care of orchids during winter, and today I'm going to share all the details with you. Use cloth to wipe orchids. Next, we'll use 1 teaspoon of coffee, pouring 500 milliliters of hot water. Coffee has organic acids that help adjust the soil's pH, making it slightly acidic, which is ideal for orchids. Soak it for 30 minutes. Next, we'll use 1 tablespoon of rice, pouring 500 milliliters water. Katuk isn't just for making soups. It's also very effective for orchid care. Katuk contains essential nutrients that help nourish and strengthen orchids. Put Katuk leaves in the blender. Pouring 250 milliliters water. Filter the solution through rails. We can use the leftover Katuk residue as fertilizer for other plants. Don't throw it away. Then, we'll combine it with rice water. Let's just let the mixture sit for about 15 minutes. Filter the cough water through rails. Dilute the juice with 500 milliliters of clean water. If you could pick just one tip to save a struggling orchid, what would it be? Let's share our best secrets together. Don't forget to wipe the roots as well. Soak the pine bark and moss in this solution. This helps provide moisture and allows the roots to absorb essential nutrients, promoting healthy plant growth. Soaking it for 1 day. Next, we're going to mix katuk leaf water with some brewed coffee. Soak it for 20 minutes. Next, we'll use cinnamon to prevent fungal infections and promote healthy root development. Cinnamon isn't just a fragrant spice. It contains cinnamaldehyd, a powerful compound with antifungal and antibacterial properties. Now it's time to pot the orchid and let it settle into its new home. Do you prefer orchids with big, showy blooms or smaller flowers that last much longer? Comment 1 if you love big, vibrant flowers. Comment 2 if you prefer long-lasting blooms. Let's see which one wins in the comments. Now we'll gently water the plant, just a little to keep it hydrated. After just 4 weeks, you can already see the orchid roots turning a healthy green plump, firm and stretching outward. Some new root tips are also emerging, which means the plant is absorbing moisture and nutrients well. This is a great sign that it's recovering and growing strong. Just a gentle reminder, let's only give the orchid a nice little bath 2 times a week, no more. It's been 3 months, and just look at those leaves, bigger, stronger, and so much healthier. A new flower spike has emerged, looking strong and healthy. Same here. Just look at these amazing roots. They have grown strong, thick, and spread in all directions, diligently searching for moisture and nutrients. Each new root is a sign that our orchid is healthy, happy, and thriving in its environment. That's it for today's orchid care adventure. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more plant care tips. Let's continue growing together. See you in the next video.